Hello, this is demonstration video of selective replication tool. It is an ADX tool for replication of paths provided from an Excel file. This tool will be useful in scenarios such as release when we have list of modified pages which need to be published or deactivated or deleted or to be deleted. Now how to reach to the tool? Go to AEM start page. From tools menu, go to ADX AEM tools and here you can find selective replication. Just click on it once. Here this expect a file Excel file which with the paths. You can get the sample of Excel file by clicking over here on the sample button. This will open an Excel file. This file will have this is a sample file which you get. This have 4 fields. Number 1, path, which will accept an absolute path which begins with slash content or slash apps or whichever thing you want to publish. Then it comes include children or not, if you want to publish whole hierarchy or just a page. Next come include DAM assets, which will include all the related DAM asset. If you want to publish a page and there are some images used on that page or some document, then if you want to publish those as well or not. And then comes the activation type. You want to activate, deactivate or delete. Just select from this drop down. Now let's just try this. Choose file, select example 2, and there comes selective replication agents list. So this list will contain all the replication agent which are enabled and are configured correctly. You can get complete list of agent by going to replication console, which is /et/replication. Here you will find agents and author. You can enable or disable any agent from here or configure from here. Like if you want to configure test and target, just click on it once and go to edit and configure it correctly from here. And you can later test the connection by clicking over here. So this is not supported right now, hence it's not coming in the list. Once it's configured correctly, it's successful, then it will come into list. So let's try to publish this on publish server. I'm clicking on submit. As you can see, there are 2 paths which we sent. The first path was invalid path, hence an error which says invalid path. And second, content we retail, which is replicated successfully. Let's try deactivating or deleting any asset. So let's go to sites. There are 2 paths, RGLDX internal and intranet. Let's try to deactivate and delete it. If I go to my publish server right now, as you can see, I have both the paths present over here. So let's try to deactivate and delete it right now. So going back to our tool, and I have an Excel file created for me which contains both these paths. Let me just show you that path on that file as well. As you can see, RGLDX internal and intranet, and one is deactivate and one is delete. Let's try to work on that. Chosen file is the same and submit. So one action type is deactivate and one is delete. Both are working perfectly fine now. And let's check on sites of publish. So here, if I refresh the page, both of these files are gone now. Let's check on CRXD of author instance. So if I refresh it, this JCR content, and let's see its replication action. Last action was deactivated. And its is activated is false and is deactivated is true. And let's go to RGLDX intranet. Is this activated is false? Deactivated false because we put a delete action on that. Now coming back to tool, Here we have history of operations made through our selector replication tool. That is present over here. If you click on this button, history, a new page will come which will have list of all the actions made through this tool. So as you can see, we just made an action on publish server at this time. User is Aditya, and to get the log, click on this logs button and you will get the logs. And logs are sortable. So if you click on date, descending order, here I did the replication action. Here are the logs of the same. Yeah, this is the logs which we just did. And for the previous operation, here are the logs. So we have tool guide as well, which will contain introduction of tool, how to use the steps which I just described in this video, and some special guideline. Number one is make sure your agents are correctly configured and your queue is not blocked. And other than that, the user must have permission for replication of those links which we provided in the Excel file. Thank you.